Here's an app which is called LoveIt Widget NoteIt Drawing. So let's just install and see how it works. There are a bunch of apps in this category. There's NoteIt Widget, which I think was the first app which appeared. There was LoveIt Widget, where you can send pictures. In NoteIt, you can send just drawings. So yeah, a bunch of apps, and then the bunch of apps started to call itself NoteIt. But there you have it. So this is the app, and the idea is that you can use widgets on iOS to install this widget, drawing it, and then you send this drawing to widget of your partner or your friend and all of that. So let's just create an account, and I will just do that with my Touch ID, and there you have it. So now I need to input my partner's code to the device. Okay, you cannot link to itself. I don't know. So yeah, can I just do it just without it? So now you just need to share your partner's code. Okay, so seems like you need to create an account, as well ask your partner or your friend to create an account there. But anyways, that's how you get started. That's how you create an account, and then you should be good to go. Then you can just draw it, and if your partner has this widget installed, then you can get started. To install the widget, you can just tap and hold while the app starts jiggling, and then you can just add LoveIt Widget from here, something around that.